In racing, a thousandth of a second is paramount. Here at GRO, we've spent more than 20 years in Barcelona researching, manufacturing and selling high-tech lubricants and greases under the most stringent European standards and with the utmost respect for the environment and social responsibility. Reliable oils that produce less wear and deliver greater durability, power and performance. We develop high-quality products for the automotive industry, which respond to the demands of engines, gearboxes and other mechanisms that call for lubrication or maintenance. Thanks to our never-ending commitment to research, our products meet the demands of racing by complying with the regulations of associations and the technical specifications of car and heavy vehicle manufacturers. Because we know that a thousandth makes a difference. GRO, reliability and high performance.